Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for powerful cleaning with flexibility? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 canister vacuums of 2025. From high-end performers to budget-friendly picks, we've got the best options for every home. Let's dive in. Number 5, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, NEN110A, was informative, well-paced, and practical. You clearly highlighted the key features, like the 2.5L dust capacity, lightweight design, and how easy it is to switch between carpet and hard floor modes. The demonstration of the vacuum in action, especially on different surfaces, was especially helpful for viewers trying to gauge its real-world performance. I appreciated how you showed the easy empty dust cup and washable filters, which add to the vacuum's cost efficiency. The included crevice tool and integrated brush were nice touches, and your explanation of their use made the video even more valuable for potential buyers. One suggestion: adding a quick sound test or suction power comparison could enhance the review further. Overall, your video provides a solid, honest look at a budget-friendly, efficient vacuum that's ideal for small spaces and everyday cleaning. Great job showcasing the Eureka WhirlWind strengths. Number 4, the Kenmore Lightweight Bag Canister Vacuum is worth a serious look. In this video, I take a deep dive into its features, performance, and value, and I'm genuinely impressed. Right out of the box, the sleek blue design stands out, but it's the functionality that really shines. The dual motor system delivers strong suction across carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or embedded dirt, the performance remains consistent. The HEPA filtration system is a major plus, especially for allergy sufferers. It captures 99.97% of dust, dander, and allergens. One of my favorite features is the extended telescoping wand, which makes reaching under furniture and cleaning high-up areas effortless. The retractable cord is a small but convenient detail, making storage quick and tidy. It also comes with 4 versatile attachments, including a crevice tool and a dusting brush, which store neatly on board. Despite its strong suction, this vacuum is surprisingly quiet and lightweight, making it perfect for multi-level homes or anyone who wants a break from bulky machines. And being bagged, it's hygienic. No cloud of dust when you empty it. In short, if you have pets and are tired of wrestling with heavy vacuums, the Kenmore canister model offers excellent value, performance, and thoughtful features in a compact design. Check out the full video for a hands-on demo. Number 3, the Kenmore 81214-200 Series Canister Vacuum, highlighting its strengths as a pet-friendly, HEPA-equipped cleaning tool. The demonstration shows how effective the 2-motor system is at maintaining suction across various surfaces, from carpets to hardwood. The included 3 cleaning tools, especially the Pet Power Mate, are well explained and shown in action, making this a solid choice for pet owners. The lightweight design and easy maneuverability are definite pluses, especially for stairs or multi-level homes. The HEPA filtration system ensures allergens are trapped, promoting a cleaner indoor environment. The orange finish is a nice aesthetic touch. Overall, the video provides a thorough, hands-on look at this vacuum's features and performance, making it easier for viewers to decide if it meets their needs. Number 2, the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, a lightweight yet surprisingly powerful vacuum that's ideal for both carpets and hard floors. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly, compact, and effective cleaning solution, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's kick things off with design and build quality. The Eureka 3670M is compact and easy to store, weighing only around 8.6 pounds. Making it perfect for carrying up and down stairs or maneuvering around furniture. Its sleek yellow body might not be everyone's style, but I personally like the retro vibe. It definitely stands out from your typical vacuum designs. Moving on to performance, this is where the Eureka really shines. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction that handled everything from fine dust to larger debris with ease. On carpets, it pulled up pet hair, crumbs, and dust quickly. I tested on both low-pile and medium-pile carpets, and it performed well, though on thicker carpets you might need a couple of passes. On hard floors, it's even more impressive. No scattering of dirt, just clean, even suction. One thing I really appreciate is the blower port, which adds versatility. Whether you're blowing leaves off the porch or clearing out the garage, It's a helpful bonus that many vacuums in this price range don't offer. Now let's talk accessories. It comes with 5 disposable bags, so you're good to go for a while without needing replacements. The included attachments: crevice tool, upholstery nozzle, and dusting brush make it easy to clean in tight spaces, corners, and furniture. Switching between tools is quick and simple. A small downside: the hose could be a bit longer, especially for high-reach areas. And while it doesn't have a motorized brush head, which might limit its deep carpet cleaning capabilities, that's a fair trade-off at this price point. Noise level is moderate, not whisper quiet, but not obnoxiously loud either. It's what you'd expect from a vacuum with this level of suction. To wrap it up, the Eureka 3670M is a fantastic value for price. It's lightweight, powerful, and versatile enough to handle most everyday cleaning tasks. Whether you have a small apartment, a busy home, or just need a secondary vacuum, this little canister cleaner punches above its weight. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And let me know in the comments, have you tried the Eureka 3670M? I'd love to hear your experience. Number 1, the Bissell 2156A Zing Canister Bagless Vacuum. This video is for you. I tested it thoroughly, and here's what I found. First, this vacuum is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it ideal for small spaces and easy to carry around the house. The suction power is impressive for its size, especially on hard floors. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair without much effort. Its cyclonic technology delivers consistent suction, and the washable filters are a budget-friendly bonus. The bagless design means no extra cost for replacement bags, and emptying the dirt cup is quick and hygienic. I also appreciated the adjustable suction control, which helps when transitioning from rugs to hard floors. However, the power cord is on the shorter side, and the hose can feel a bit flimsy with extended use. It's not the best option for thick carpet, but it shines on hardwood, tile, and low-pile rugs. Overall, the Bissell Zing 2156A is a solid, affordable vacuum that delivers great value for everyday cleaning. It's perfect for apartments or as a secondary vacuum for quick cleanups. If you're looking for portability, simplicity, and good suction at a low price, this one is worth checking out.